Alright guys, so we're gonna get started on that project. So as you can see, I have my frame here and I took out that middle picture and I just flipped over the paper so it's all white. If you want to add like a cute little colored background, I'm sure you could. I'm just gonna leave it white. And then to bling it out, I think I'm gonna start like on the outside. So like do the outside first, and then I'm gonna go in with like the smaller rhinestones and then like eventually complete it. So let's go ahead, get started. Make sure you guys have your frames if you're doing this with me, and make sure you guys have all your rhinestones. And let's get started. So to glue the rhinestones on, I'm going to be using my Zulay Bling Adhesive, and I asked her if like this would work on like wood and plastic and stuff. She said yeah, just to make sure you kind of like buff out. She said yeah, just make sure you buff out kind of your space first. So like since I'm gonna still say I'm using this corner, she said just buff it before you apply the glue, just so it's kind of gritty. So take this. So I'm just gonna do that corner real quick. So as you can see, I'm using clear rhinestones, but you can use whatever color you want. You can know purple, blue, pink, red, whatever color you like. You can also use like flat back pearls or any other like flat back like plastic rhinestones, anything that you want to do to kind of like get it to your style, your taste. It's all you. I know this part looks super boring, but I promise you get kind of like lost into it, you know, you kind of get lost in thought, and it's kind of a little stress reliever, kind of like coloring, I noticed, because you kind of want to stay in the imaginary line, I guess, I don't know, but it goes by pretty quickly. If you have that little wax tool, it's really awesome. Any wax pencil or wax tool will do. So I'll go ahead and link a couple different options in the description down below for you. Alright, so once you have the whole outside blinged out, we're gonna try and see what we want to do next. I don't know if I want to do the entire thing. I'm thinking just the corners and maybe like the edges and the inside. So I went ahead and did the corners. And I think I'm only gonna do a couple of the insides, not 100% sure yet. But it's your project, however many or however little you want to use. Bling it out to your desire, boo. Bling it out. So as you can see, I decided to just bling out 2 of the sides because I'm going to lay it down horizontal. So I'm just going to match those sides up. And there we have it, our finished project. Well, we're not done yet, you guys, hold on. So we added a little bit of bling on the bottom to kind of make a heart. So our next thing to do is we're gonna take that double-sided tape and we are going to add that to our frame on the outside. And I'm going to cut it in half because it's a little thick. So I'm gonna do about half size. And then I'll show you the step after that. And then I have the glass in, so I just reversed the paper. If you don't want the white background, you can go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's and find like the scrapbooking paper that has the different patterns on it. But I'm gonna leave it nice and white. And then what you're gonna do is kind of just place that and hope that's straight. And then you are going to take the nails that you made and practice with from your Red Iguana hand, and you're gonna stick those puppies on there. So just want to make sure they actually stick. Alright you guys, so once you are all done placing those on there, there you have it. You have your own little nail art frame that you can put in your nail area. I know we ain't got nothing but time, so might as well do something, right? And as you can see, even though they're not like Swarovski crystals, they still are kind of cute. And I'll go ahead and link down below where I got the rhinestones from. It's Amazon. I'll link that. And then I will link the videos to these nails. If you guys want to see how I did these nails and these designs, I'll go ahead and link those down below too. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you want to do more little like arts and crafts kind of things. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.